Good morning, welcome back to another day in my life video. Today is Tuesday and it's currently 7:54 a.m. I have been up since 5. I had to edit a couple of videos and also get myself sorted out to film this morning. And yeah, I feel like I've gotten so much stuff done and it's only 8 o'clock almost, so yay for me. I do have a long way to go though. I do have a ton of more things to do today, so I had to get an early start. And yeah, so on the agenda for today, so as I said, today I have a few things to do on my list. Today I would like to try to get the wig on, so try to do my wig install, see how that turns out, and that's also a video that I have to make. Then number 2, I have to organize a couple things in my closet. I did a little spring cleaning, so there's a ton of stuff on the floor. I would like to get a workout in today, but that's pretty much what's on the agenda for me today. Not anything crazy, but super things that are very time consuming. So that's pretty much my plan, and then whenever things slow down, I'll get to editing. My video that's due to go up today is already done. I just need to get it onto YouTube's platform and then edit it. But so far, very productive, and I love that. We love a productive day. I'm gonna go clean up my room though, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Amazon to do my wig, and from there we will just proceed with our day, get some breakfast, you know, the whole 9. So let's go. Okay, so as you guys saw, I'm just like cleaning a little bit. Oh my god, I have to show you guys something. Sorry for the lighting. So I have to show you guys something that's very like cool to me, because I've never, it's so funny, I've had this product for maybe 6 months and I did not know. Don't mind my wig, it's on the back of my door drying still. I have not moved it since my weekly vlog. Anyways, this thing here is called Innisfree. It's a lip balm. And let me go outside because the lighting in my bathroom is so annoying. So anyways, this is the product, right? It's called Innisfree My Lip Balm. It's in the shade Sky Vanilla Tea. So this morning my lips are so dry, I can't find my Aquaphor, I can't find my Carmex, can't find nothing, right? So I said, let me just put this on. And it's, if you guys can look in the tube, it's coming out blue. Do you see that blue thing? It's coming out blue, right? But then I applied it to my lips and it has a little bit of tint. You guys can see my lips is kind of like really pink right now. Not like my natural pink color, but like a Barbie looking pink. It's kind of weird. So you apply this to your lips and it applies blue and clear almost. Then it turns pink. This is gonna turn way more pinker. Just give it like a few minutes, but it definitely turns pink. Even turning pink right now, but it's very weird. It's very weird. I was very shocked. I was like, what is this pink thing on my lip? What did I use? And I was going crazy because I look in that tube and I see that it's blue, but I know sometimes blue things can turn clear over time, but it turns pink. So I love it. And it's like a natural healthy pink. So if you guys want to give your lips more pigment, I definitely suggest you pick that up. If I find a link for it, I will put it in there. So it will be under the category that says items mentioned, so you guys can see that or go get that if you want. On to my Amazon unboxing. I got a lot of packages in while I was at Renee's house. I got some stuff from Nasty Gal. I got some stuff from Skims. I got so much stuff, so yeah. But I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got from Amazon. Okie dokie. All right, let's do a little quick unboxing. I've already opened the box, but it's fine. So the first thing I got is this foam wig head, and I know this isn't like the best wig head to get. I know that there's other ones that are way better quality that can like stand on its own and all of that, which is better to be used. But considering that I'm not like a wig wearer, and I'm probably never gonna wear another wig, or maybe I like it or maybe I hate it, I just got a foam head, and we're going to name her, I don't know yet, but this is my wig head, and that's what I got. The next thing I got in here is a bonnet dryer attachment. So I wanted to roller set my hair. However, I did not find a good deal for rollers on Amazon. Either it was gonna come in a pack of like 80, and I don't want that many. I maybe want like a pack of 20, but I couldn't find a pack of 20 with the size that I want. So I was like, you know what, let me just get something else. But I ended up getting a little thing here, and this is a bonnet attachment. So it will act as a hooded dryer, but this thing, you basically attach it to your blow dryer and it goes on your head. I thought that would be a good thing to add to my hair care routine. So when I deep condition or when I dry my hair, maybe this would work, but I don't know for sure yet. So let me just test it out. If I like it, I will give you guys an update. And it comes with a little thing here to put around the edges. Next thing I got is some wig caps, and I just got them in a little dark brown color because if you guys remember from my weekly vlog, the lace is very light. Don't know how I feel about that yet, and I don't know how it's gonna look against my skin tone, but when I start filming, I guess I'll see. And you know, next thing I got is the Got2b Glue Blasting Freeze Spray, and this is the one that I see a lot of the girls using in the wig videos. So I just picked that up. I also have the regular, like the glue looking one. So we'll see which one works best. I'm not really sure yet, but I got this. And finally, I got a little package here for flexi rods. A majority of these flexi rods I'm not gonna use, and I already know it. Very curious to see what this is, so let me open this. What is this silk thing? Oh, it's like a shower cap, but a pretty one. Okay, it's like a silk shower cap looking thing, or this is to deep condition your hair, and I love that. Because I was worried that I wouldn't have one, so got this little thing here. So I'm gonna keep this together, so whenever I know I'm gonna do my hair, I have that to use. That's very nice. I'm glad that they sent that. So that's all I got from Amazon to do my hair today. I'm going to go make breakfast in a minute, but just wanted to show you guys what, you know, is on the agenda, I guess. But that's all I got from Amazon. Pretty pleased. So yeah, let's go make breakfast because I'm starving. My stomach is literally like growling right now, like literally growling. So I've decided to make an omelet. So I'm going to be using green peppers in my omelet, as well as, of course, you need eggs. And I'm going to be putting some thyme in there for some added flavor. And I have this thing here of chicken Vienna sausages. I'm gonna just use like one of this to kind of add some sausage into my omelet. And then a little bit of cheddar cheese just to kind of make things interesting. Okay, my omelet is done, and it's not too pretty today because you know what, guys, I'm not perfect. okay? So good! Okay, so right after breakfast, I decided to go and edit some videos and stuff, and at this point, it's about 3 o'clock, and I decided to clean my makeup brushes because I noticed how disgusting they were. So that's what I'm basically doing here, and I also skipped lunch, so I didn't have any lunch that day, but I just wanted to come here and provide you guys with an update. Hey guys, so it's 3:16 right now. I just finished washing my makeup brushes and just relaxing a little bit because honestly I've just been feeling so like ill because of allergy season, and I took a Benadryl, and usually I take the Benadryls at night because I know they make you drowsy. So when I took it, I instantly felt like so sleepy. So I went to lay down for a little bit. Now I'm up. I only took like a little nap though because honestly I felt like I couldn't even stand up. But I figured I would come in the bathroom and kind of like put some moisture back in my hair because my hair feels extremely dry right now. I'm not quite due for a wash because I just had a wash a couple days ago, but I figured I would put some deep conditioner in my hair and stuff. So I'm actually going to spray my hair with some water, and what I'm going to do is basically separate it and spray it and put some leave-in conditioner. I really don't know if this is something that works well. I just know that when I was transitioning my hair in the past, like when I went natural, I used to oftentimes do this to kind of like moisturize my new growth a lot. So I don't know. I'm just gonna put some leave-in conditioner on my hair and kind of just make sure that it stays moisturized because I'm not playing with the breakage this time around. Not playing with it. And I'm gonna apply my Rooted Treasure Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'll leave a link for their product down below. I love it, and it's so rich and dark. Gonna put a little bit on my edges, you know, so and so. Then I'm just going to take the flexi rods and kind of just wrap it around and just pin it up. Just that, not doing anything crazy, just moisturizing. Okay, so this is pretty much what my hair is looking like. I have a ton of new growth up here, but you guys can kind of see a little bit like my new growth. Like it's literally a lot, like it's a lot. But that's fine. Now I'm just going to shower. I know it's only 3 o'clock, and I'm just gonna shower and put on my comfy clothes. AKA pajamas, because I'm not really going anywhere and I just want to lounge for the rest of the day. Okay, so right after I showered, I honestly was in bed watching Netflix for a few hours, and then I ended up playing Sims. If you guys don't know what Sims is, it's basically like a game that's based on like real life. Like you can create your person, get married, have kids, decorate your home, the whole nine. I love this game ever since I was a child, so that's what I was playing. And if you guys have ever played Sims, you know you sit down to play it and then you look at the time and it's 10 hours later because it's so addicting and very time consuming. So that's basically what I did, and then I went to bed. So my day wasn't as productive as I thought, but that's fine because we're gonna do it again tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day and look at my hair. Look at my hair. Oh my God. That was a mistake, so don't do it. Don't do what I did. So yeah, don't try that trick. Learn from my mistake. I'm gonna try to somehow fix this today. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys later because this is gonna take me a couple hours at least. At least.
And if you want to join in on this challenge, don't forget to leave a comment with your progress or use my hashtag on Instagram or even create a YouTube video like this girl so that we can be there for one another. And let's get started. Alright, we have 3 sets with 7 exercises each, 5 to 10 seconds rest and 15 seconds rest in between sets.
Oh my God, that was only set 1. 2 more to go. Ugh.